case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1989, the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit heard a unique case titled Saltany v. Reagan. The historic lawsuit revolved around the fundamental principle that a foreign state cannot be sued in U.S. courts unless it gives its consent or falls under an exception defined by the FSIA, Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act. The lawsuit was initially filed in 1988 by 55 Libyan citizens and residents who sought damages for injuries, death, and property loss that arose from a 1986 United States airstrike on Libya. They accused the British authorities of liability for allowing the U.S. to use UK airbases during the airstrike. The district court initially dismissed the plaintiff's case. On appeal, the Court of Appeals affirmed this decision, stating the plaintiffs had failed to demonstrate any basis for jurisdiction in the U.S. courts. Furthermore, the United Kingdom, acting in accordance with Rule 11, sought sanctions against the plaintiffs' counsel for having filed what they deemed a frivolous lawsuit. In a turn of events, although the district court found a violation of Rule 11, it refrained from imposing sanctions. In response, the United Kingdom, joined by the United States, demanded attorneys' fees and costs. The appeals court granted this request, acting on a Supreme Court ruling that precluded the plaintiffs from arguing jurisdiction. In the final verdict, the Court of Appeals affirmed the district court's decision to dismiss the Libyan plaintiffs' case against the British defendants and declined to issue sanctions. That said, the court did allow the UK's and US's requests for attorneys' fees and costs from their counsel. The UK was ordered to produce a statement of these fees and costs, whilst the official court order was put on hold until any possible petition for rehearing had been resolved.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.